Now the selected terms are now grouped, and then you put a check mark. You put a check mark where on across those squares where those min terms are covered by that particular group. Okay. Once you do that, then the next step is to check for the columns. You trace the columns in which only single cross is there. Okay. Those terms are called as essential prime implicants. Okay. You remember in K-map we were saying that how many possibilities of grouping the variables are there. Okay. How many possibilities of grouping of ones is there? Is there any, if it is there only one possibility, then only we circle that. Okay. We give a priority for that. So that is called as prime implicant. A prime implicant, now let me put some technical words. So a prime implicant is something, a group of ones. Okay, bigger group of ones, the largest possible group of ones. Okay, group of, you can say a bigger group of ones, or largest group of ones. It may not be unique. If it is unique, it is called as essential prime implicant. If a min term has been covered in only one prime implicant, okay, if a min term is being covered in only one prime implicant, that is called as essential prime implicant. Okay, prime implicant is nothing but a group of ones. If any of these, at least one of the min terms has been covered, okay, that has been covered by only that prime implicant, that is called as an essential prime implicant. Okay, a unique prime implicant. Okay, you got it right. I mean, if there is only one possibility of a prime implicant to be grouped, okay, then that is called as a essential prime implicant. Okay. If at least one min term is covered in unique fashion, unique way, only one possibility, then that min term is called as essential prime implicant. Okay, essential prime implicant. That's what in the previous one, the columns which were having only one x, okay, that means there is only one possibility of grouping those. Okay, those are called as essential prime implicants. Now we check for if all the min terms are covered. If not, then we'll have to take the non-essential prime implicants also. Okay. Now you just quickly check, are we getting the same expression if we go with the K-map method? Okay, go for that. So 130137, yeah. So let's go for the K-map method. Are you getting same? Yeah, right, good. Those who are done, those who have verified that they got the same answer. See, again I am saying, if you need to verify, you go for that app. Okay, you can easily verify that. Otherwise, that in that sense you will get a confidence. Then now take the same example which we have taken. Now let's go for a 5 variable Quinn-Mikulski method. Okay, take the same example which we have taken yesterday. Okay, take the same example, solve by the same process, check if you are getting the same expression which you have got for the K-map. Go for it. Go for 5 variable. Which was that? Can you tell me the that example? 5 variable wala. Yeah, what is that? F A B. Yesterday's example for 5 variable K-map. Bolo. 0, 2, 4, 6, 9, 13, 21, 23, 25, 31. Alright, go for this using Quinn-Mikulski method. Okay, now variable. Now you have to be very careful. Okay, now there are 5 variables involved. Okay, process may be a bit complicated. Go for it. Bolo, step 1. Step 1. So yeah, first check for if it is there in the mean term format or not. Is it in the sum of product form? Yes. Skip step 1. Step 2. Bolo. Yes. You represent the given mean term, okay, in the binary format. Then after that, okay, you do that. While in the examination also, you better write in steps. Otherwise, write just you know the writing. Write properly. Very rarely that means you do less mistakes. Okay, you do less mistakes. You're permitted to use 2 colors, okay? Only blue and not in most notes you can use any color, but use color. But in examination, blue and black only. Okay? Don't use red or any other color. Use pencil or avoid pen. You could have your actual to verify your system. You always expect an optimal equation. Even if you are getting right output, optimality is the main purpose as a designer, as an engineer. Download it from our website. Even if on the website. Go to the website 102.ca. Have you verified with that app? Did you verify? Yeah, that app doesn't go. If you use another app, the internal design cannot be done. Anyway, you should not be dependent on this software. Okay? You should be confident on yourself. Confident. Tell me the last expression. One more thing, if I find someone, okay, by deliberately making that expression turning to the optimal one, बहुत लोग क्या करते हैं कि फिल्म में उसकी मेथड थोड़ी सी टीडियस है कि मैं सॉल्व करूंगा वैसे तो वैसे एक्सप्रेशन वहां पे ला के रख देंगे भले ही उन्होंने काम ना किया ऐसा अगर मैंने फाइंड आउट किया तो विल बी जीरो इंजीनियरिंग मार्क्स डोंट ट्राई टू फूल अस and last time what I found was in annual report but ये दो बार आने से मतलब आप पेपर लिख रहे हो क्वेश्चन 1 फिर 3-4 सॉल्व करेंगे फिर क्वेश्चन 1 फिर से सॉल्व करेंगे व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट आई मीन व्हाट डू यू थिंक आई मीन मैं डबल मार्क्स कैलकुलेट कर सकता हूं मार्क्स ज्यादा नहीं आता ऐसा देखा गया है दो तीन लोगों ने ऐसा किया हुआ है लोगों को पता होना चाहिए वो पता चल गया ठीक है रिपीट करोगे कैंसिल होगी मार्क्स 0 इसका रेटिंग कम डालो इसको पता तो नहीं एटलीस्ट ओके एक्चुअली यू शुड डू दैट भले आपको पूछना मिलता मतलब दूसरे को सोशल रिस्पॉन्स how important of cost rating get the same answer. Whose class is there after this?